So I was gonna post this little teaser sneak peek of a stop motion ad that I'm doing, but then I thought, you know what, I just can't wait anymore. I'm gonna post the whole ad with the quote, but in order to do that, I have to finish it. So I thought I would show you this behind the scenes look at how I make the stop motion posts. So basically, to get the stop motion effect, any time that I add or change something in the drawing, I have to stop and take a photo, which means by the end of these posts of the making of the post, I have usually over 100 photos that I have to piece together. And that's just for simple stop motion. So here's how I do it. The part of the quote is my character saying that he's made her whole again. So he's pieced her back together, but then she wasn't the same. So to show that she wasn't the same, I want to do these chaotic lines that I've been doing with the posts. But I can't just draw a line like this because that wouldn't be stop motion. So instead, what I have to do is say I'm going to do a few lines like that. And then I have to stop, and then I have to save a photo, which does take some time. And any time I change or add, I need to do a photo. Now you could make this as quick or jumpy if you want. Like I could do one line off this and save a photo, but to save myself like the chaotic mess of assembling this, and this one doesn't have to be like super slow motion. Like when I did the petals, each time I moved a petal down, I had to stop and take a photo. So these lines, I have a little bit more liberty, so I can do some bigger movements before I save each photo. Then what happens is you have all of these photos that you have to go back and piece together, and I will piece them together and turn it into the ad. And then the finished ad looks something like this. That is how I make these stop motion ads. This one, it probably took me around at least 6 hours. I think the drawing took me around 2 hours, and then another hour today to finish it and compile it, and then putting all the words in quotes with it and the timing and everything took over an hour. So these do take a lot of time. But I feel like it's worth it, and I enjoy doing it, and I get feedback from you guys saying you enjoy it. So I'll keep making them, and I'll keep posting it and showing you guys more behind the scenes tips. And if you have any questions regarding my books or art, please post them below.